So all that to say, this is one of the paintings Vincent van Gogh made from the hospital called a sanatorium. So now I'll know where to apply the background of paint. This isn't details. This next stage will just be about getting paint on the background of the canvas. It'll be broad, perhaps solid colors, and then we'll come in and do detail in the final round. So now I've got the town blocked out. It'll probably be shades of green. Then the horizon of mountains will be in shades of blue. And typically, because of atmosphere and cloud, the further we get back, each layer is slightly lighter, typically, depending on where the moon and light is. But like if you look over to Vancouver Island, you'll see every island further away gets a lighter shade of like a dustier gray. There's more white mixed in the further back the mountains are. So the closest mountain might be green or dark blue, and then the further ones get grayer and grayer. And that's just because of clouds and atmosphere. So finally we can come in and block a little bit of where our stars are going to go in the swirls. I want to kind of keep the moon area bright, but really I'm also going to just paint a shade of night sky over this whole area. Let it dry, and then I can come in and add whites and yellows and the swirls to make a pattern. Okay? So take a moment now. We'll pause the video and you guys can finish drawing your tree, the church. Maybe you want to put a bit of infrastructure in of where your cities and farms are going to be. Maybe you'll have a bit of patchwork like this for farming, but it doesn't matter too much detail yet. You want to have an idea of where your moon's going to go and then how big your radius around it's going to be. A couple of your brighter stars here you can block out, and maybe where your big swirl is going to be. Maybe you'll have one or two swirls that cut across the sky. It's like clouds rolling in. Okay? And where I have two, you're going to have three. So let's pause the video. You guys take a moment to set that up, and I'll prepare my paints.